In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Confluence for team collaboration. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to organize your team's knowledge, collaborate in real time, and keep projects running smoothly in one shared workspace. Start by creating dedicated spaces for each team or project. A well-organized space keeps documents, meeting notes, project plans, and resources in one central location, making it easy for everyone to find the latest information. When creating new pages, use Confluence's built-in templates for meeting notes, project plans, product requirements, or knowledge base articles. Templates help your team create consistent documentation and save time by avoiding repetitive formatting. To collaborate with teammates, edit pages together in real time. You'll see changes as others type, making it easy to work on the same document without creating multiple versions. You can also highlight text to leave inline comments or add page comments for general feedback. If your team uses Jira, insert Jira work items directly into your Confluence pages. This lets you turn ideas into actionable tasks and track project progress without switching between applications. You can also embed files, designs, videos, and other tools into your pages to keep everything in one place. This helps your team access important resources without searching across multiple platforms. Before sharing your work, click Share to invite teammates or adjust page permissions so the right people can view or edit the content. Keeping permissions organized ensures secure and effective collaboration. That's how to use Confluence for team collaboration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.